Hi there guys, Frank from 4xCCF, and look at this. Where do you find a woman like this? I tell you mate, where do you find a woman like this? And here she is, she's blending up the old bait to make burley. I mean, you don't get too many women like this. You guys just keep your distance, she's all mine. Look at that.
Didn't you say I was your best catch?
Yes, I did. Almost. I mean, no, you were my best catch. You were my best catch.
Yeah, and I'm this long.
Anyway, don't throw that. It's bloody noisy. Don't throw your old bait away. Don't go chucking it into the bin at the bloody boat ramp and stinking everybody to death. Tell you what you do. You take it home like we do. You chuck it through an old blender. Go down the lifeline. Find yourself an old blender. Old food processor. Chuck all the old bait in there and give her a whiz up. Put her in a plastic old Chinese food container or something. Freeze them down. And there you go. Berley Bomb. Straight away, you just put them in your burley bag and chuck it over the side. You beauty. Okay? Or you can make them any shape you want. You can make them into whatever ice block type burley bloody ice block you want. Anyway, very good.
It smells great.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm worried.
Oh, the fisherman.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Tell you what, she's a good woman. Best catch I ever had. Oh, good on you. All right, catch it, guys.